The slaves of Allah, respected President, reverend teachers and friends, today I want to speak on the topic of slaves of Allah. The merciful God are those who walk on earth very smoothly, and when the ignorant ones address them, they say to them peaceful talk. Friends, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions more and more about the slaves of Allah. He describes us. وَالَّذِينَ يَبِيتُونَ لِرَبِّهِمْ سُجَّدًا وَقِيَامًا. The slaves of Rahman are those who pass their nights while they prostrate before Allah, the greatest of all, and they stand in salah. وَالَّذِينَ يَقُولُونَ رَبَّنَا اصْرِفْ عَنَّا عَذَابَ جَهَنَّمَ. The slaves of Allah are those who say in their prayer, "Oh, our Lord, save us from the punishment of the hell. إِنَّ عَذَابَهَا كَانَ غَرَامًا." Verily, hell's punishment would come. إِنَّهَا سَاءَتْ مُسْتَقَرًّا وَمُقَامًا. Verily, the hell is a bad place and unsuitable abode. So, we should try to be good slaves of Allah. We should follow the footprints of Sahaba, Tabi'in, Tabi'in in our daily life. And remember this couplet of Allama Iqbal about our Sahaba and forefathers. May Allah make us good slaves of Rahman. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.